Hi guys, in today's video I'm about to show you a website using which you can make up to $1,000 per 30 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. You just have to spend 30 minutes and boom, you'll be making $1,000. Now why are they going to pay you? The reason is very simple. You are going to read stuff for them and for that they'll be paying you. Now what kind of content you need to read? The content is going to be very simple. It will be articles, it will be podcasts, it will be ebooks. You just have to translate those words into your voice and that's it. You'll be making lots and lots of money online. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. Now which is this website which I'm talking about? The website is voices.com. You need to go to your internet browser and search for voices.com. So this is the world's #1 marketplace for voiceover. You can sign up in seconds and then you can start making money online using this website. You can see that this website is being trusted by Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Network, Los Angeles Times, GoDaddy, Bell, Cisco, Hulu. So as you can see that this is one of the most trusted brands when it comes to voiceover, and a lot of big companies hire and get their voiceovers done using this website. Now it's a very simple process. Like companies come to this website, they post a job, people apply to those jobs and then they get their voiceover done and pay the people. So this is how you are going to make money. You need to apply to the jobs which are being posted on this website and then for that you'll be getting lots and lots of money online. Now let me first show you what kind of money you'll be making. So they have this page called as Voiceover Rates. You can go to this page and see what kind of money you'll be making. So when I scroll down, you see they are paying $9.99 for 30 minutes. Just see what kind of money you are going to get. 30 minutes of work and $9.99. 45 minutes of work, $1,249. 15 minutes of work, $749. So the money you're going to make is insane. This is something incredible and it's a very trustworthy website. And not only that, like if you are doing voiceovers on TV, you are going to get contracts. You can get contracts and for lots and lots of money. You can do voiceovers for radios, you can do voiceovers for internet ads, and you will be making money for all of that stuff. Now you must know that this website has the best voiceover talent, so you must have a good voice. This doesn't mean that you need to have an excellent microphone or a very professional voice like a direct radio jockey or a DJ or something. You just need to have a decent voice and you need to have clarity in your voice. That's it. You cannot mumble words. You just have to simply say the words which are provided to you and that's it. For that you'll be making money. Now if you are going to get local projects using this website, you're going to get paid more. That's one of the secrets of which not most people are aware of. So this is what you need to do. Now how to sign up on this profile? It's very simple. When you'll scroll down to this website, you'll see this option called as voiceover jobs. So you need to go to this and you can see all the jobs which are being posted here. There are categories like animation, audiobooks, educational, business, internet ad, videos, podcasting, telephones, video games, television, radios. So you can go to any one of these and you can see the jobs which are being posted there. Let's say I want to check jobs in animation. So I'll click on animation and it is going to show me first the process and the jobs. So I want to become a successful animation voice actor. So what I need to do is I need to click on sign up for free here. And then you need to click on find work as a talent. And here the process is very simple. All you need to do is enter your full name, your email, your password, and that's it. That's all what is needed for you to create your free account, and then you can start finding jobs on this website and start making money online. Now you must know that this website is simply amazing. You can sign up in an instant and then start making money online without doing lots and lots of work. You just need to do voiceovers for this website and you will be getting paid. This is applicable throughout the world. You can in fact select that from which country you belong, what kind of accent you have, and then you'll see localized projects. The more localized projects you see, the better you're going to get paid because people are looking for localized voice voices from their own people, from their own region, from their own country. This way their product sells better, and that's where you come in. You are going to provide them voiceovers for local companies. For example, if you are living in India, if you are living in Bangladesh, if you are living in Pakistan, Sri Lanka, if you are living in Philippines, Nigeria, USA, Australia, Germany, you just need to provide voiceovers on those accents. And not only that, in fact, you can even select languages. Yes, this website will also provide you an option to select different languages for voiceover. You can be an English voiceover expert, or a German voiceover expert, or a French voiceover expert. You can even select the accent you have and then get jobs accordingly. Now, I must tell you that this website is not just alone. They have an amazing Android application which is available on Google Play Store. So you can come to this application and start checking out the screenshot. You see, this is the world's #1 marketplace for voiceover. You can search for voice talents, and you can also search for jobs. People can post high quality audition requirements. People can hire through this, and you see, like, you can add your voice samples like these, and people will be able to hire you in just a button. So that's how easy it is. All contracts, milestones, payments are being done through this app, and you can get paid directly into your bank account. Now, they are not just restricted to Google Play Store. They also have an iOS application. You can go to the App Store and you can search for voices.com. They have an app there, and they have similar screenshots. As you can see, they provide you with everything which is needed. They have an amazing rating, and you can get started on Play Store right now, as well as on your Apple device right now. You can also start from your computer if you don't have an Android or an iOS device. Now, what are the requirements? Well, you'll need 3 things in order to become a voiceover actor. First thing is, you need to have a microphone. You don't need to have a professional microphone. A microphone which is from your own smartphone is good enough, or you can just use your earphone. Those are good as well. Right now, what you're hearing is also from my earphone. So you can see that the quality of earphones is very good these days. So you can definitely use your earphone. Now, the second thing you need to have is a device from where you are going to record. Now, if you are going to use your phone, that's perfect. There's no issues with that. And the third thing is, you need to have an internet connection so that you can submit your files. If you have these things, then definitely you can start making money online using voices.com and get started immediately. I'll recommend you to get started on voices.com immediately, so you don't lose out to other people who are already working on it. So go to voices.com right now and start your voiceover journey and start making thousands of dollars online every single day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now, before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.